Welcome back to the Bird Kittens. Dove, the mother, Kookaburra from a previous litter, and these four: Sparrow, Goose, Bluebird, and Turtle. They're still not really eating much, but they'll usually have a little bit of the milk from the dish. This is mainly because Dove is such an excellent mother and she's still giving them as much food as they need, although she is starting to set more boundaries. That's Bluebird asking for a feed, and Dove says no. Kookaburra continues to come out of her shell more and more, which is wonderful. It's a little scary the way she plays with the little ones. She's always gentle, but not as gentle as humans would be. Gentle Kookaburra. It's clear the kittens are not afraid of her, and they're not usually getting hurt. When they are hurt, it's only very mild, despite how it looks from the outside. She's a little bored and a little bit jealous that they get to feed so much more often than she does. She does help herself sometimes. Turtle is the best climber. That's Goose giving it a go. Goose is currently the most pro-human. He's, or she, or they, often is the first to emerge when I come into the room, and enjoys being picked up and played with. He's clearly a medium or long-haired cat. Turtle also has the biggest eyes. It's extremely difficult to tell Bluebird and Sparrow apart, so they are finally big enough to wear the collars I bought for them. And here's Goose in my lap. I often find Turtle and Kookaburra together. Perhaps Turtle's early violence gave him a tolerance for her very rough style of play. Sparrow is the smallest. She's about 20% smaller than the others, but it doesn't slow her down at all. That's her in the purple collar. She tends to bounce like a bunny, and she tends to sit and look up at me very plaintively when she wants affection. That's Bluebird with the teal collar. He is the bravest and the most vocal. If he wants a cuddle, he'll meow for it. Turtle and Bluebird are the biggest, but Sparrow's happy to take them all on. It's a long way down.